10 years since its launch, Cafe Desire is the most sought-after vending solution provider in the market. Its growth in the hot and cold beverage sector has been phenomenal.
We started with simple idea that developed over time. The desire to succeed in this huge market kept us growing.
The company's consistent efforts and constant innovations into this enterprise has resulted in Cafe Desire becoming the most sought-after brand in the vending solutions division. The blending and packaging units are known for its high quality, 100% natural food-grade ingredients and sanitized processing zone. Cafe Desire's customer-centric approach has made it stand out among other companies.
Key strategy we adopted is customer-centric approach. All our meetings starts with one subject, that is customer, and ends with again one subject, that is customer.
Cafe Desire prides itself on being India's fastest growing hot beverage solution company. Highly skilled workforce and ongoing research and development. Fully equipped service team. Cafe Desire's only vending solution provider, providing an array of flavors customized for our clients, based on region-specific research, a flavor for every taste. That's not all. Cafe Desire's range in vending machines is matchless. Our fully automated vending machines provide tea, coffee, flavors of one's choice with just a press of a button. With a pan-India presence, Cafe Desire has marked its presence in the industry as the most admired brand for its effective and prompt service and on-time delivery of beverages. The dynamic team behind the swift growth of this young brand moves ahead with the motto of think big and build from your strengths.
We aim to grow organically, reach #1 spot and stay there.
Cafe Desire. I drink success.